Get excited about the 2016 Toyota Camry. This four-door, five-passenger sedan just recently passed the 40,000-mile mark. Under the hood, you'll find a four-cylinder engine with more than 170 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Both high fuel economy and flexible performance are assured by the 6-speed automatic transmission. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, remote keyless entry, and power windows. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Call now to schedule a test drive.